Welcome back to Toys and Books Are Fun. This is the 5th episode of our coding series. Welcome to those who have already watched past episodes, but if you're just beginning to code or don't have a Scratch account, I would highly recommend starting our series from episode 1. Okay, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always know when I upload a new video. So I'm going to click on my stuff, I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to delete the Scratch Cat. I'm going to choose sprites, and I'm going to choose dot, and maybe Monet. Yeah, Monet and dot, they seem like a good pair. And I'm going to choose a backdrop. Maybe I'll go to the space section, go to the spaceship, and I think that's good. And I'm going to click on Dot. I'm going to click his costumes. Let's see if he has any talking costumes. And no, he doesn't have any costumes where he talks. So I'm going to make him one. So you're going to right click on Dot and you're going to click Duplicate here. And you're going to click on the paintbrush. You're going to click on the dropper. You're going to click on Dot's mouth. You're going to make this paint size maybe 5. You're going to zoom in on Dot's mouth and make him smile. And then that seems good. Oh no, it's a bit crooked. I'm going to try that again. One more time. That's better. I'm going to fill it in now. Okay, it's good. So now I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to go to Monet and see if he has any talking costumes. Yes, he does. He does have talking costume. Here he's talking with his mouth is open. He also has some other costumes. Here he seems pretty sad. Here he has his tools ready to fix something. And here he's turning his back. He's fixing something on the wall or something like that. Okay, we're going to go to code. We're going to start coding a conversation between these two sprites. We're going to go to events. The first block you'll ever need is the one green flag clicked block. And we're going to, first when you start the project, we're going to switch the costume to Dot when he's not talking because you don't want to start talking right away into the project. And then we're going to put a wait 1 second block. 0.5 seconds should be enough. You click on looks and then you make Dot talk just so that he isn't talking right away off the bat. Okay, now we're going to use a new way to make our characters talk today. So instead of the usual say block that shows text, we're going to actually make them speak. So to do that, you need to click on Add Extension down here. And here we have tons of different extensions, but we're going to use the text-to-speech extension, Make Your Projects Talk. So that has the speaker and text box, and you click on that, and then you can make the character speak. So we have all sorts of different voices here. Let's try them all out. So we have alto.
Hello. Hello.
That's how alto sounds like. We have the tenor voice.
Hello.
That sounds like that. Squeak.
Hello.
Giant.
Hello.
And kitten. Kitten just says meow for anything that you write.
Meow.
And no matter what you write, it'll always say meow. Like, I am a cat, it will say
meow, 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 meow.
So no matter what you write, it will always say meow. Okay, so we're going to switch it to alto because I like alto for Dot, and we're going to attach it to the block stack, and we're going to say hello Monet, and then maybe something else. I think the control panel is broken, and can you fix it? And then we're going to make him stop talking by switching his costume back to what it was. Dot A. Okay, so now we're back to Dot A, and we're going to click Save. And we're going to try our code.
Hello, Monet. I think the control panel is broken. Can you fix it?
Okay, so now we're going to try to code him to open and close his mouth. So you have to do that. You click My Blocks, you make a block. You can name it anything you like, but I'm going to call it dot talking. And then we're going to click OK. Define dot talking. To this, just need to define the block. That means you have to show what this will do. So we're going to make it next costume. And wait, what about 1 second or something, or maybe 0.7 or something, and then we're going to make it repeat it a few times, maybe 6 times, and then that's what dot talking will do. It will just repeat 6 times next costume and wait 0.7 seconds. And then we're going to go to My Blocks and we're going to pull out dot talking, and we're going to go to events. We're going to put a broadcast block, talk dot, and then we're going to pull this. Okay, we're going to put dot talk dot just before he begins to speak, and then when I receive talk dot, we're going to make dot talk. We're going to click save, and we're going to click on go.
Hello, Monet. I think the control panel is
Oh
broken.
no!
Can you
Because
fix it?
he has all of his different costumes, it won't work. So I'm just going to delete all of Dot's other costumes so that this code works. I'm going to save it.
Hello, Monet. I think the control panel is broken. Can you fix it?
And then Dot talks for the period of time that he's supposed to. And then we'll click on Monet, and Monet is going to be the character that the person who's watching controls. So Monet is going to ask questions. So asking questions is in the sensing, which is turquoise. You're going to click on sensing. We're going to ask something. So we're going to put the ask right under, no, not under when goes clicked, because that would just start from the beginning. So we're going to make him broadcast something for Monet to start responding to Dot. So we're going to do Monet, can you fix it? And you're going to click OK. You're going to go to Monet. When I receive Monet, can you fix it? Monet is going to ask the person who's watching, do you think I can fix it? And depending on the user's response, he'll fix it or he won't fix it. So let's see. To do this, we're going to use an if-else block, and that's right here. So if-else blocks, if something happens, then do this. If not, do something else. An example of this, you have to fill this part in with sensing or operators blocks. For example, if this number is greater than 50, then say 100 is greater than 50. If not, don't say that. But for now, we're going to use the answer and the equal block here. So we have the equal, if something equals something, and operators, and then sensing, we have under the ask block, we have the answer block, and if you click on the check mark, it just shows what the answer is here, but you don't need to do that, but it's useful to see if your code worked. And operators, you have to pull up the if this equals that, then block. For example, if the answer equals yes, then you can make him turn around and fix it. So to make him turn around, let's see which costume number he turns around in. So first we're going to make him, when go is clicked, we're going to make his costume this costume, which is Monet E, right? Yeah, it is. No, it's Monet D, and then the last one's Monet E. So Monet D. And then we're going to switch costume to Monet E if the answer is yes. And then we're going to make him, maybe we're going to make him wave his arms or something. Oh, he doesn't have his tools in this costume. Not to worry, we can add his tools. So we're going to take his tools here. We're going to ungroup this. We're going to click on his hand. And maybe we'll copy this hand. And we'll paste it so that Monet is holding his tool. And then the other hand, we can copy this hand. we can copy this hand and paste it, and then here he has his tool too. Okay, we can just delete the hand underneath so it doesn't show. The hand underneath it. Wait 1 second. This hand, we don't need it anymore because we have this one. Okay, so now Monet, he has his hands here and he's working on the thing. Okay, so we're gonna switch costume to Monet E, and then what should we do to show that the control panel is working? Maybe we should play a sound. So we're gonna go to sounds, add a sound. So sound effect, that means it's working, like it's turning on, something turned on. So maybe, no, definitely not that. Oh no, I added it. You have to click choose a sound, you have to click on the sound that you would like. So maybe we should choose a sound that means that it turned on. No, not that sound. Maybe a sound that we can use. Maybe Dot barks after, but we don't need that yet. We're going to use that after when Dot barked. Maybe, yes, it turns on like an engine sound. So after, we're going to switch his costume to Monet E. Maybe wait 1 second, wait for Monet to do his thing. And then we're going to play the sound engine until done. We're going to make Monet look at Dot again. Switch costume to Monet D. And then maybe we'll choose a new voice for, oh, we have it here, text to speech at the bottom. We're going to set his voice. Let's see what voice we want Monet to have. Maybe Monet should have the tenor voice.
Hello.
No, or the giant voice or something.
Hello.
Yeah, okay. So we're going to set his voice to giant, and he's going to speak, "It's been fixed." Okay, but if not, if the person doesn't think that the person can fix it, it's the else, then he's going to say, "Sorry, I don't think I can fix it." Okay, now we're going to try our code.
Hello Monet, I think the control panel is broken. Can you fix it?
Do you think I can fix it? We have to write yes. We don't need all the extra sounds at the end.
It's been fixed.
Oh wow, that's very low. Wait, so we're going to delete all the extra. We don't need all of the jumping around of the engine, so we can crop that out. So we're going to select the part that we want, maybe up to here. We're going to play it. And then that should be good enough, and we're going to click copy to new. And then we don't want this one anymore, so we're just going to delete it. And engine 2 only has that part. Okay, and then after this happens, then we should make Dot say the bark. So we're going to make him broadcast a message to his friend, and that should be here. And we're going to broadcast, "I fixed it." And then he will say, when he receives "I fixed it," he'll bark. Oh, we already have the bark here. So maybe we can put the other bark in too. And the other, wait, where's the other bark? There was another one. It should be in the B section. As you can see, it's divided here. That's the bark that we already have. And that bark should be enough for our dog. So play sound bark until done. Maybe we should switch his costume to talk, and then we'll switch his costume back because it will take too long for him to talk during when he barks. Okay, so now we're going to make Monet talk too when he's talking. So we're going to make him talk. We can use it. We have to make a new block for Monet to talk. Okay, that's good. And we can just copy the code that Dot has. And we can paste it into Monet's. And to copy and paste, you need to pull out the code, click it, and do Control-C. And you have to put it back. You can click it again to stop the code. And then you can go back to Monet, and you can click Control-V, and it will come. But we don't want it right now, so we're just going to delete this extra one. Okay, as well, you can't just have him switch his next costume. So we're going to choose two costumes for Monet, which are these two costumes, which is Monet A and Monet B. And to do this, we're just going to, instead of doing next costume, we're going to put that away. We're going to go switch costume to Monet A, and then switch costume to Monet B. Wait 0.7 seconds. We're going to go here, pull this out. Wait 0.7 seconds, and that will make him talk. And then here, whenever he's talking, he's about to talk, we'll make him a new message, which will be talk 1, or just talk. And then whenever he broadcasts talk, then we'll make him talk. So when I receive talk, my blocks, Monet, talk. Save now, and we're going to try it.
Hello Monet, I think the control panel is broken. Can you fix it?
Do you think I can fix it? Yes.
It's been fixed.
Oh no, it didn't play the song. What happened? So let's check our code. Do you think I can fix it? Yes.
It's been fixed.
That's strange. Why doesn't it play the sound engine? Oh, that's because we deleted the sound engine. That's a bug in the code. You have to remember to switch the sound to engine 2. So we have to put these back in order, and we have to switch the sound to engine 2. Okay, now we're going to try again. This is why you always test your code for bugs.
Hello Monet, I think the control panel is broken. Can you fix it?
Do you think I can fix it? Yes.
It's been fixed.
Oh no, he talks for too long. I don't think he's going to need the 6 because Monet doesn't talk that much, so we can just do it 2 times. For Monet, and we're going to try it when we say no.
Hello Monet, I think the control panel is broken. Can you fix it?
And we're going to write no this time.
Sorry, I don't think I can fix it.
He still barks, but that's still okay because he could be barking because he's sad. Okay, so that's how you code a conversation between 2 sprites with the if block. And thanks for watching episode 5 of Toys and Books Are Fun's coding series. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. My goal is to make 1 coding video a day. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Okay, I'm going to click this one more time to show one more time the project that we have.
Hello Monet, I think the control panel is broken. Can you fix it?
I'm going to write yes.
It's been fixed.
Okay, and that's our conversation with an if block.